If you want to install Samsung Messages on your Samsung Galaxy A26, it's quite easy to do. First of all, open up our Galaxy Store. Now we gotta press on the search icon at the top right corner of our screen and let's search for Samsung Messages. Great. Choose this option. Press install, give it a couple seconds to be installed. Now let's press open, give it all the necessary permissions. Press OK, choose it as a default app as I showing you. Press set as default, and basically that's it. Now you can use them anytime, and here you are. Basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.